What is funny about life is that we believe it's all about the challenges. And we believe that it is all about overcoming the particular challenge that is before us. There's a sense that once this challenge is overcome, when I do have that money, when I do have that better health or a better relationship, then I'll be better, then I'll be okay. Or then I'll better be able to practice the teaching or be good. And so our entire life just starts to revolve around solving the challenge and overcoming the challenge, and once again becoming comfortable. But ultimately, it is not at all about the very challenge. Sure, life may be a little bit better if you have the money, if you have the better health, if you have the better relationship, and so on. It will be better if you overcome the challenge. But ultimately, it is not about the challenge. Because be sure that once the challenge is overcome, another challenge of some other sort with another phase will surface. And this is not a pessimistic view. You see, the challenge is all about bringing to the surface your current understanding. It tests your understanding. It tests your faith. It tests your courage, your resilience, your belief. Each challenge, you can say it's like luring you into your lower nature of worry, fear, jealousy, hate, revenge. It lures you into the past and the future, away from what is real, what is actual, away from your higher nature of goodwill, compassion, love, unity. So it is not ultimately about overcoming the challenge to become better or to live better, but ultimately how you face the challenge, the attitude and the state you cultivate while dealing with the challenge. The trust, the faith that you maintain while going through the challenge. The conviction that you gain in your own moral principles while going through the challenge. How you treat yourself and others, what you think about yourself and others while going through the challenge. What you may think even of your enemies or the ones that are suppressing you or adding that sort of conflicting nature to your life while going through the challenge. It is ultimately about what you learn about yourself and life. It is about in which way you grow, in which way you outgrow your tendencies to fall into the lower nature. And what is the lower nature? Lower nature is anything that is dominated by the belief of separateness, otherness, belief in me as an isolated entity, apart from all that is, apart from the oneness, the unity of life, of love. And the challenges in our life, they simply test this understanding, or they, in a way you can say, help you grow into this understanding of unity. So what I would advise is to not be so caught up in the face of the challenge, the money or the relationship or the job, but trusting in life, acting according to your higher nature, acting according to your greatest understanding, trusting and not fearing, loving and not falling into fear, hate, revenge. Building that strength of character, the conviction of unity. Once all your challenges become about this, then you will see the harmony with which you will flow through life, with which you will flow through your challenges. And you will see how this makes you receptive to an intelligence far greater than thought. So move forward with a certain quietude, silence, because it is in silence where this unity is revealed, whereas in constant ideas and concepts, thinking, this unity is veiled and distorted into the appearance of separation. And the very thinking, then believed in, identified with, lures you into the behavior and actions that will be coming from a belief in the separateness, only creating more and more challenges in your life. Separateness only creates more separateness. It continues to dissect and dissect and dissect and dissect. Whereas unity, even faith in unity, and acting according to a belief in unity, harmonizes, loves, and reveals to you the understanding of unity, replacing the faith and trust. But faith and trust are the first step, without which you will not be able to take a single step forward. So please take from this video what you will and implement it. Hearing the words is nice. Ultimately, it is through your own unique challenges right now that you will have to implement this teaching in whichever way you currently understand. So practice it to the best of your understanding and see that understanding become deeper, wider, and it will reveal itself to you.